Chat, what is popping, man? Welcome back to the streams. Yo, chat, we have a little closer above here. How we doing? How we doing? Welcome back. Yeah, I swear we're always doing this. We have a nice little closure above here on the 1 hour time frame. Question is, how are we going to give ourselves a top wick? Oh, a bottom wick and a top wick, to be fair. We need both. Weekly flipped. Daily's pushing up. 4 hours looks good. Yeah, we might be looking good for some positions here. If this 1 hour can give us a nice top wick. That's a big if right now. It did give us a top wick, a very small one, but it gave us one nonetheless. Are we going to just rip straight through and break the high? If you do that, it's a little bit cooked. Yeah, there you go. Nice, chat. Nice. What's good, Christian? How's it going? What's good, Jed? What's good, Nell, Triz? What's good, everyone? How we doing? Welcome back. Chat, let me do a quick analysis, by the way. I don't know if you noticed, but I changed my chart colors. What do you think? Kind of pink and blue. Yeah. I don't know. I thought it looked kind of cool. I'm trying to figure out what chart colors I want. Can't lie. Change it back. I like it. What's good, Montana? The other thing I had, chat, was even worse though. Wait, I had this. I don't think it was even worse actually. It was kind of cool, but I don't know if I can read price with it. Let me just show you. Let me go back. Chat, what do we think about this? Yeah, I don't think I can do this. It looks good, but I actually don't know if I can read price. Right, wait, let's go back to, what's the standard? Whoa. I did not know I had that as a template. Wait. Let me, is it this green? No, what's the standard green? It's that one, right? And then the red is this one. All right, let's just go back to that. It's not that one, is it? It's definitely not that one. Apply defaults. No. Yeah, what's the actual color? The regular chart color. I'm gonna do an analysis in a second, right? I just need to figure out fucking chart colors. Right, let's do this one. This one. This one. The white wicks kind of look cool, but that's not the original, is it? I feel like that's way too dark for the original one. I don't know. I actually don't know. Anyway, with that being said, chat, let's do it. Fuck it, no, I need to fix this. Chat, someone help me out. Second row, fifth green. Second row. What? This one. That's too dark. That is the second. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. This one. White and red. White and red's okay. Top second row, the fifth. Top second row, the fifth. What the fuck are you guys on about? That makes no sense. Why are you counting the last row? What, you telling me this doesn't count? That's 1, 2, 3. Anyway, let me do an analysis quickly, and then we can figure out chart colors in a second. So, daily time frame here started to push back up after making a bottom wick. You are filling this wick now as well from the previous daily. By the way, chat, just quickly, does the sound better? I spent about an hour yesterday trying to improve the sound quality. I might be wrong, but I think it's a lot better now. I don't think we're cutting out as much and echoing and shit. Anyway, the 4 hour is now pushing back up towards the top of this level. You do have a 4 hour level here at 30.28. That is also our 1 hour level that we did just close above here, 30.29 actually. So realistically, we do have room to continue here. You have a 4 hour close in 55 minutes. But looking at our levels on the 1 hour, you have a very strong level here that you closed just above right now at 30.29. If you are going to continue back down, you've got room realistically until, I would say, 30.14 if this is a fake out. And after that, if you do want to push up and continue through here, you do have room all the way up to 30.36 here. After 30.36, you most likely continue up towards 30.46 to be truthful. That's going to be our next level. But again, it's very, very simple here, chat. All I'm going to look for today, right now in fact, is I want a nice little retracement back below this level. Hopefully the next 1 hour or the next 30 minute can close below here, and then look to actually finish back above after grabbing liquidity here. So like almost like a fake out. And that's going to be our potential positions here. Now, with that being said, I actually don't want sells below here. I'm going to leave it as sells below. But with that being said, obviously you have made a big move, so you are going to need a little bit of liquidity. This could be very similar to our position yesterday, right? We caught 30 pips on stream yesterday. Why does it say... Plus 18, it was plus 30. I'm gonna leave it on for today though. Yeah, nice. All right, so we need to see a continuation back down here before we can actually then push back up. We need some liquidity being grabbed. As you just saw, we broke the highs. I think, same as yesterday, we might be looking to grab a position here off of that 4 hour close. So with that in mind, chat, let's just stay patient here. Stay focused, stay locked in. Any questions, fire them away in chat, and otherwise, let's get back to my chart colors, eh? I want to find some good chart colors. Let me see you do your little dance. Crazy. What's good, Gene? By the way, if you didn't watch yesterday, I did a little trade. In fact, I did a double release yesterday. 2 videos were dropped yesterday night on YouTube. We had the first one, which is a big psychology video. It's a very important watch. Second one is a trade breakdown. Red on the left, darker green on top. I mean this one, right? When you stream, it always hits daily highs, bro. I know, I don't know what's happening. Finally got it. Is that that doesn't look right. Yeah, also, I don't know why I counted from the bottom. You're completely right. I have no clue why I did that. SG, I passed 5 more accounts today. Let's go, Gene. Congrats, my friend. Yo, I've really been thinking about not moving over, but getting involved in some futures too. I was just thinking, if I stack like 10, 50K accounts, it's realistically going to be game over. Like a little 1% a day. It's going to be 5K a day on top of what I'm already making. feel like that's not a bad shout. I did like the pink, to be fair. White and red also looks alright, but it's just difficult to read. Green and red is obviously the classic, right? But I don't know, it's not good. It doesn't look aesthetic. Realize you'd like to see a candle go back into the previous range, then go up again, fake out, but then a 4-hour closure breakout. Something like that, bro. Yeah, it doesn't even have to close below, to be honest, as long as it just like grabs some liquidity, but closure below would also work. Realistically, I think we at least tap into 36 here. There's no reason why we wouldn't. Or as a minimum, like 33.5. Something like that. But I just need some liquidity being grabbed, essentially. Like, look at the structure we've made here. Because at any point now, this could be like a manipulation to then continue back down like this, right? Which we don't want. So you want to see, essentially, a confirmation that we are actually going to stay above this range by then doing something like this, right? Where you come back out of the range, back into it, grab some liquidity, and close back out again. And that's when you get like that little continuation up like that. Gene, do you trade Apex or Top Step or what? For futures? Like the stream chat? Yeah, completely right. Like the stream. Cool. Apex? Apex fucked me over like a year ago though. I got scammed by Apex. Are you using like something like Quant Tower where you can copy trade them all, or do you just use like one take profit trader? What is that? Are they reliable? Replicantro? Do they have that they have like consistency rules and shit, because all the futures firms have consistency rules. Tradeovate? Yeah, Tradeovate's pretty good. No daily loss limit? That's fucking crazy. You can just full port. Wait, code PW, what's that? Patrick Wieland. I don't want to use that guy's code. I'm joking. The guy's making a fortune, by the way. What's the consistency rules? No more than 50% when doing the challenge. After that, there are none, I believe. Oh. Consistency rule. Test. Oh, that is fucking sick. So I could get one trade and withdraw it immediately, basically. I mean, ACG has that, right? But for futures firms, they always have consistency rules. By the way, this is not sponsored, chat. I'm not affiliated with these guys, and I'm kind of pissed off I'm giving them some promo, but it is what it is. Maximum number of accounts, unlimited accounts. You can have 5 pro accounts. So, all right. What's the profit target on? Is this the same as everything else? It's best to do. Is it best to do 50Ks? Like with Apex, it was always best to do 50K. You can have 20 accounts with Apex? I know, that's crazy. Wait, so if I wanted to use... how much does that PW code get you off? I just want to see what the leverage would be. That's crazy. Oh, chat, look, we're pushing down here. This is great. This is absolutely perfect, chat. That's what we want to see. Oh, you have a 30-minute no bottom wick. It's definitely going to come and grab that. 100%. Only 6% to pass. Wait, the 50% consistency rule, was that per trade? Or per day? Biggest trade in day, that's so shit. So you have to trade 3 days basically in order to pass. Interesting. I mean, that's not bad. It's also not ideal though. The thing with oh, you have to trade 5 trading days. Crazy. That's not ideal. You can full port news as well on these futures accounts. I passed an Apex account once just by full porting news. Because you can do buy stop, sell stop. There's no slippage. Futures trading Nasdaq and S&P. Now you can trade. You can still trade gold. You can still trade euro. Nasdaq and S&P is just indices, right? Futures is more like the futures is basically just the platform you're executing on, or the type of market you're executing on. That's pretty much it. Top step is 2-day passing. What's the top step payout rules? Jed, it's just like Forex, but a different platform, like a different market. It's derivatives. Oh no, it's not derivatives. One or the other. I can't fucking remember. Apex is always super cheap though. That's why everyone goes with Apex, I think, because it's so fucking cheap. I really need to get a code if I'm gonna fucking start doing this. 50K trade rate. $167. What if I have a code? What was the code they had? %80 off of vowels, you know. What does that take it to? Oh, you can use Stoics? Yeah, I could use Stoics to be fair. I'm not gonna buy one. I was just looking at what the price would be if you had one. I don't even know if I want to do this right now. I'm definitely focused on Forex still, but I just see a lot of people leveraging it. And to be fair, when I was trading it, it was pretty fun. But look, now we're coming back down and pushing back into this range here. You have a 15-minute close that just happened, no bottom wick. Yeah, next page is price. Fuck Blue Guardian, I wouldn't trade with them, I don't think. I've never heard of it, so I can't trade with firms I've never heard of. That's my rule. If I haven't heard of them, there's no way I'm trading with them. That's why I literally, for Forex, I literally only trade Alpha Capital Group because those are the only ones I trust. And I've been paid out with Alpha Capital, so I know they work. Realistically, that's the only reason why. If you do want to get an account on Alpha Capital, code SG, 20% off. Subtle plug. But yeah, there's no slippage on futures. No, there's not really, no. A mad code, to be honest. Stoic needs to get himself his own fucking code with his name. They have a sale right now with Apex, $50 for 300k, but you have to make 20k. I'm pretty sure the 50, the best like ratio of drawdown to profit target was always the 50k. Because with the larger accounts, your drawdown's fucking tight. Also, I'm not trying to manage too many accounts. Like if I'm trading futures and Forex, it actually becomes detrimental, right? Because you end up like just distracting yourself more than anything. You took yesterday only one trade? Yeah, only one trade yesterday, my friend. It's an absolute banger, but only one. Noodle Holes, what's good, brother? How we doing? All right, chat, a lot of potential here. A lot of potential. Let's see how this next 30-minute closes here. And then, yeah, then we can see. That's why I use Replicantra. It logs into all my firms and copies. ACG, what do you prefer, bi-weekly or on-demand payouts? Do the bi-weekly, because if you do on-demand payouts, they add a consistency rule, which is what I did by mistake, and now they kind of fucked me. You doing good? What's up with you? I'm chilling, man. I'm chilling. Yeah, the thing is, though, like, with Replicantra and all that shit, that's good, but I'd still have to swap over from Forex to futures, and then, like, have to think about what trades I'm taking on what accounts. It's definitely possible, but did you not like the closure at 12 o'clock a.m. pre-NY with big liquidity on the 1 hour sky dollar? 12 o'clock yesterday was here. Yeah, I saw this. I'm pretty sure it came up top wick first, right? Or either that, or it actually just wasn't a big enough bottom wick. I can't remember, but I didn't take it for a reason. I think I was also at the gym as well. So that's another indication why. Will you enter the trade after flipping the high of the previous 30-minute? Nah, sorry, I can't take that position. I don't know why I nearly said sorry. Reason being, this could be a liquidity grab for us to just continue back into the range, right? If you look on like the 4 hour and the 1 hour, what we've done at this point in the past, I know we did close above, but at any point, this could just rip all the way down and yeah. Can't trade Forex, that's really the only reason I switched. I was tired of all these Forex firms scamming me. Yeah, I think you just have to pick a good firm, right? But I think there's something not bad about it, especially because I'd be able to do this shit with the futures one. The thing that I like though is you actually feel like you're in a trade when you have trading view. When you trade with, sorry, MT5. Like, listen, when I place this, wow. You get a little vibration. I don't know, it just makes you feel like you're in a trade. Whereas, like, I don't know. I just feel way better on Forex for some reason. 30-minute close with no bottom wick, a buy is valid? Potentially. But then again, like, look what we did this time yesterday with a 30-minute no bottom wick. You still continued down, right? So I'm not too eager to do that. Realistically, the best thing we can possibly do here is wait for this little closure right here below the level, and then wait for another closure back above, maybe like a 1 hour doji closure or something. So like the 30-minute will close below, 1 hour closes doji, and then we get the buys up after that. But until that happens, I can't really do much. Is there a way to stick in your stop loss and TP when you place the trade? Yeah, you can do. You can do. I should probably do that, right, for signals? Is that what you're trying to say? Help you like figure out your risk. Good, Tremlin, how's it going, bro? Rather than adding him in after. Yeah, you just double click on the bottom. That's what I meant. You're waiting for the previous 1 hour close to be taken to enter long. Yeah, I need to see a rejection here and a closure back above the level if I'm gonna get anything here. Big love, what's good, Tremlin? Yeah, long time, man. How are we doing? How's Cyber treating you? It's good, bro. It's really good, man. I love it. Cannot complain at all. Yeah, like, I've seen Jade Cap absolutely killing it with futures. That's why I looked at it. Now, because you right click the chart and select buy stop and it instantly places it. Nah, you go down to the where it says like the order, and you double click it, like on stop loss, and you can click modify order, and then it actually just does it there. Huss switched? I don't think Huss switched. I think he's doing both. I could be wrong, but I think Huss is doing both. I might be wrong though. I don't know. I love the what's good news? How's it going, brother? I love the Forex execution platform there. If futures had an MT5 equivalent that was actually like MT5, I'd be on futures, but it doesn't, right? I hate how you have to like place your buy, and then you have to place your buy stop up here to be your stop loss, then your sell, and then you have to, you know, do it like that. I just think it's so, I don't know, not ideal. Yeah, Jed, you can just right click on the line as well. Saying it's already been placed? Yeah, that's fine, but yeah, you have to modify it afterwards. You can't modify it before, unfortunately. Oh, what you could do though is you could go and do the new order thing, right? So you could go and right click new order, and then you go to pending order, sell stop, buy stop, whatever it is, and do it that way. But it's a bit long, but that way you can set it before. Best way to do it is just place the sell stop and then modify it right after. Yeah, drop a like as well if you haven't already, man. I appreciate you guys pulling up very much. What we're doing right now, waiting for this 30-minute closure here. It does look like the 30-minute wants to close below the level. It did come down and nearly grab this bottom wick, which we spoke about, right? I, again, predicted the future. SQ, the market reader. But, yeah, for right now, I need to see a closure back above this level after this 30 closes if I'm going to get buyers. Spit and grind, crazy. What's good, Yash? How's it going? Welcome back. Thing is, right? I don't know how can you trade futures with a live account, because you have to pay for the market data, right? I don't know how that works. I don't really want to be doing that as well. That's a bit long. And it's trading drawdown too. Trading drawdowns are a little bit difficult. I actually love just having a live Forex account. I think it's so goated. I actually think it's elite, just having a live Forex account and like on a live brokerage, that is, and just trade that. It's so scalable. If you can get 20k into a brokerage account, you can easily make like 5k a month. Obviously, you're going to be risking a relatively high amount, but it's just the same as the 200k funded, right? Right, 30-minute close here. Bearish, below the level. Sells are tempting, right? I know you guys are going to be like, why can't we take sells? Potentially you could. I just don't like how the 1 hour closed above, to be honest. The higher time frame confirmation right now is that we closed above the level. So if you're going with the theory, which obviously we do, that the higher time frame takes precedent over the lower time frame, you can't really take sells here. How's the dragon plant? Very good, my friend. I think he's doing well. Let's see, chat. I realistically think, look, you got 30 minutes here to the 4 hour as well. The best option here is most likely going to be waiting. No lemon drink? I'm completely out. I've actually even got still water, not even sparkling water. How ridiculous. Would you recommend to wait for the 4 hour? Yeah, definitely, bro. I think so. Especially because if the 4 hour can close above this little area here at 30.29, which we are tapping into, and that's going to be a pretty clear indication that we're good to continue back up. That's a break in market structure. You know, you've got that clear push back up to the upside here, and that's going to be your move back up towards all-time highs. But if you don't, I mean, look, you could reject at any point here. This could be a liquidity grab just like this, and you might continue all the way back down. At the minute, you only have like very clear lower lows and lower highs being made on the 4 hour time frame. So you need realistically this closure above to get these buys here. Fuck me, Ben, you're having a problem with your keyboard today, mate. What's going on? If trade based off the 4 hour candle, will your stop loss be below the previous 1 hour low? It depends. It depends. A lot of the time, yes, it'll be the 1 hour low. Sometimes it'll be structure on like the lower time frame. If it's good enough, if it's small enough, we'll take the 4 hour stops, right? But a lot of the times, the stops on there are way too big. Had no sleep, like a fish out of water. Pollen attack. Ah, tough, bro. Yeah, I barely got any sleep last night as well. I was gonna say you're walking on that treadmill all night. Soon you're gonna be doing it in your sleep. Until we have a clear break of structure, do you still consider taking entries? Not really, I need the confirmation. I mean, on the 1 hour, if that 1 hour would have opened up cleanly, right? Let's say we left the top wick here. Oh. Well, let's say we left the top wick on this previous 1 hour, it came down bottom wick first. Yeah, I'd probably have a buy stop on the flip, but because it didn't do that, it's just better off to wait for that next candle, the 4 hour. Make sense? This next closure could be decisive. I think the next closure is going to tell you whether or not we get a position during this session. The next closure is very, very important here. It's really important. I think, yeah, we need to see some clear indication that we're going to continue back up here. The 30-minute has reflipped now after making a bottom wick, which is not bad. 5-minute structure is still pretty bullish. So there's a lot of opportunity here coming into this 4-hour close. I think we've got some potential. But we just need to be patient. I'm going to get a coffee real quick. Give me a sec. Seen any spiders yet? Ben, I was thinking about it last night in bed. I was thinking about how... Hang on, wait. Yeah, I was thinking about the fucking spiders. And then I thought about how you mentioned it and I got pissed off. And then, yeah. You've absolutely rattled me with that one, mate. I'm not going to lie. Completely rattled. I had my door open as well. And I made my missus go shut it. I was like, nah, we're shutting the door. No way. Because there's so much fucking... rocks and grass and mountain right next to my apartment, literally right there. This is a fucking mountain. One of those jumping spiders could easily just make the fucking leap over and be like, yo, let me just nibble on SG. Pause. Anyway, be back in a sec. Alright, copy acquired. Look at this. Delicious caffeinated beverage. Fuck, I left my glasses. One sec. Spectacles acquired. Hey Sam, put sliding mosquito net all around your windows and balcony, you'll sleep better. Nah, I'm just playing, bro. Yeah, actually, I probably should do that. I can't lie. Which session would you think is more appropriate for gold? Like for NASDAQ, it's definitely NY. That's the good thing about gold, right? There's volume in all sessions, literally every single session. So you're yeah, you're pretty good. Dr. Doolittle, crazy. That's insane. All right, chat, we're pushing back down here. Komodo dragon. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that I need the spiders, right? Honestly, I'm gonna look it back up. I'm gonna look it up again because that fucking amused me yesterday. I have room for a Komodo dragon right there as well. I'll give him like a little area. Fuck off. Why is she smiling? Why is she smiling like that? You're telling me you're literally dealing with a dragon and you're smiling. That's a fucking dinosaur. Godzilla. And you're sat there, nah, this is so funny. Mate, it would literally rip you apart if you... They've got like a little glass thing on it. Like, that's gonna stop it as well. It'd probably just chomp right through that shit and then just... No shot. Bro, who's having this as a pet? That's ridiculous. Bro, but imagine, right? Imagine you're just like strolling through the jungle. I don't know why you would be, but imagine you were. And then you just saw fucking this. How to care for your Komodo dragon? Are you joking? Boingboing.net. Yeah, what's going on? For starters, have plenty of frozen mice, rabbits, guinea pigs, chicken, beef, oxtail, herring, and tilapia. Yeah, like, I'm gonna fucking... I don't even eat that well. That's fucking insane. Not sure about it. What's the scariest animal on Earth? I think it's the blue whale. I reckon if you saw a blue whale, you'd shit yourself. Three buses. Furless chimpanzee, is that a thing? Or are you talking about humans? Oh, fucking hell. Bro. That's actually me. That's me when I'm bulking, to be honest. They just took a picture of me and said it was that. Eugene, if you logged in. Bro, look at this guy. He's on gear, like a shitload of gear. That's crazy. You can see the fucking relation to humans. Bro, look at his fucking delts. Oh, bro. No way. No way. He's looking at you as if like, yeah, I'm gonna come get you. Mate. POV your Eugene's webcam. I have friends that would still say they could beat that up in a fight. You know those mates that are convinced they could beat a bear in a fight? No shot. Biggest bear ever. Images. Can't tell me that's real. What is this? Oh, zip suit. Okay. All right. Okay. You know what's crazy? You know, the Russians that wrestle bears. You guys seen that shit? By the way, we got a 15-minute closure here coming up, but there's nothing I can do right now, so we're just filling the time with some bear antics. Russian bear wrestle.
Ever seen a man wrestle a bear? Watch as this Russian daredevil takes on nature's giant in a jaw-dropping showdown. The man with a bear torso is ready to accept the challenge this giant bear has prepared for him.
Yeah, I know they're from a circus, bro, but still.
It's obvious that these two are from very different weight divisions. But the brave, crazy Russian doesn't give up. The bear's claws...
Bro, I saw a guy like... It doesn't actually matter if they're from a circus or not. Because it could still absolutely murder you. And look how big it is. Yeah, the bear's not I mean, it's like playing toyfully. Yeah, there's a video of Khabib, right? Khabib wrestling bear. Khabib Nurmagomedov versus bear. Bro, I don't care if it's a trained bear or not, bro. Like, that's like saying, oh, like, when you go to the circus, the lions are fucking tamed. They're not, because they still fuck about you. I don't know. Anyway, 15-minute close here. You close bearish. It looks to me as if the 1 hour wants to close back into this range. If the 1 hour does close back into this range, chat, we can take a nice little look at some sells. I would like to see the 4 hour below, to be honest, below this level right here if we're going to get the sells. What animal do you reckon you got to take on? Yeah, that's a good question. What's the biggest animal you think you can, like, scrap? Had a bear in my garden on apple trees. That's normal in my region. I can't go outside after 8 PM in the village. No way, bro. Kangaroo? I don't think you could beat a... maybe. Nah, if a kangaroo wanted to kill you, it'd kill you. Raccoon? Yeah. Raccoon's not a bad shout. I live in the valley with the most bears in the country. Crazy. A kangaroo would definitely lay anyone out. I think, what's good, Axel? 4 hour closure respecting 30.24.9, a previous 4 hour level and a current decent 1 hour, then a top wick and sell. Yeah, that's what I'm looking at, to be honest. 24.9. Yeah, this one here is the exact same level I've got on my screen. If you close below there, we can take a look at the sells. Otherwise, I think realistically, we're going to have to wait for another closure back above here and take the buys up. We've got 12 minutes here. What would stops be in that case? Stops, oh, fuck's sake. Stops would be huge, though. Right after you made a level there as well. Now we're good. What about... Alright, what is the biggest animal a human could fight? Moose? Someone said moose. Are you joking? Alright, this is a really good fucking... This is a good scenario. Adult male of fairly athletic abilities. Stayed in decent shape for his late 20s. So basically me, right? Arena, flat, open field, 30 meter by 30 meter. No running away, no weapons, no traps or using terrain. Animal opponent, land animals only, i.e. no killing a great white shark by just sitting there and letting it die. What do we think? Grizzly bear? A giraffe? The giraffe's gonna fuck you up. These guys are idiots. I don't know, man. Slightly off topic, but it's a fun little hypothetical scenario. 10 minutes here to the 4-hour close. Reddit just clowns? Yeah, I barely use the fucking platform, to be fair. Some people have claimed to have killed a grizzly with bare hands. Someone's probably done it. Like a fucking caveman. There's been mad stories of women lifting up cars in times of adrenaline. I wonder what a man can do. Yeah, that's the thing. A sunfish? It said land animals only. What is a sunfish? Is that big fucking ugly one? Oh, they're ginormous. That's kind of cool though. DiCaprio did it once? Yeah, I've seen that. Blobfish. Alright, you guys are distracting me. I'm not looking up animals anymore. Blobfish is the last one, because I've seen this one. What the fuck? That is what Eugene's webcam sees. Look at it. Alright, we've got 9 minutes here, so let's stay focused. PRLS Planet is done. Chat, by the way, I took my car to get cleaned this morning before stream, right? Bear in mind my car is absolutely fucking ginormous. It cost me 10 euros to get the inside and the outside cleaned. And they literally did it all for me. Like, you just park it up in the car park, they drive it away, like, to the little cleaning place, clean it, you go and sit and have a coffee, included in the price, and then you come back, and they drive your car back to you and it's finished. 10 euros, bro, are you joking? Inside and out of a Range Rover Sport. Plain Americana? Yeah, it's black. In the UK, that costs you like 30 pounds. Friday, 1 hour time frame. What do you think of that range since the start with the big down candle? Friday, 1 hour. Right, wait. From here, this range, since here like this, yeah, we are technically ranging here, which is why I'm concerned about the buys. That's the reason I'm looking at sells here, but I do think we maybe need a bit more liquidity. And I also need to confirm that we're actually not gonna actually continue back up, because this is the first time we've actually closed above that range, right? But it might be a fake out. In fact, it most likely is a fake out. Problem is, you do have a few levels here of projection to the left, like this area like we're talking about here, 3025.2. It's also a 4 hour level. But if we can actually close back into this range here, push back up with a top wick, and then flip, we can get the sells to come down. Won't work, and I sat in bird shit. It's not ideal. It will close below the range, but we need a large liquidity grab in order to look for sells. Yeah, you would want to see something like this, but to be fair, previously it only came up to like 33, so I don't think it's necessarily invalid. 4 hour needs a bottom wick as well. Do I just end it all? You sat in bird shit. Yeah, if you get shit on by a bird, that's good luck, but I don't think it counts if you just sit on it. What's good, Prince? How's it going, man? All right, 6 minutes. Yeah, top wick would be nice. But you need a bottom wick on this closure too. A lot of potential here, chat. Let's focus up. I wanted to change these as well. Wait. What did I have? Yeah, I need to fix my candlesticks, man. I want to figure out what to go with here. I kind of want to do like a monotone thing, but at the same time, I also don't. I need something cool. Alright, chat, this is a good, like, nice little push here. Question is, can we actually retrace now and leave a bottom wick on this candle? If the 1 hour can leave a bottom wick, that's going to be really nice, to be honest. 30 minute, no real top wick as well, so you do need some liquidity being grabbed here. White and black, royal blue. I did have this one previously. But I don't know if I like it that much. I mean, it's not too bad. We'll see. Anyway, that's not the important thing for right now. The 4 hours pushing down here. It does look to me as if we're just going to continue down with this next 4 hour. Unless you do break this high, right? Then you've got a bit of a market structure shift. Because essentially now what we're doing is we've essentially pushed down here. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Now you failed to make a lower low. And you are actually going to make a higher high here. So that might be a little bit of a market structure shift. Or it could just be a fake out for us to continue down like this, right? Brown and dark green. We're going camouflage or what? White and black. Yeah, the white and black's not bad. I was looking at doing like what was it? It was like this: white, 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 and then black, gray outline, gray outline. That could be kind of cool. That could be alright, to be fair. Need to change the color of the levels though. But right now I'm going to leave it as it was, right? Exotic pink and baby blue. Yeah, I did kind of like that, to be fair. Need to bottom wick and at least a pullback to the range of like 30, 25, 26. Nah, I think I need to see like, I want to see the range get retested. I would like to see 28 get tapped into again. I mean, look, we'll see. Let's lock it in here. We've got 2 minutes and 25 seconds here till the close. What's good, Sahil? Welcome back, man. Quick question regarding support and resistance level on the 4 hour. Would you place it at 30.25 or 30.23? Such a small difference in price could make such a big level. Are you looking at this one here? Yeah, I think realistically this is more important for me. If we're looking for sells, if we're looking for buys above, then I'd use this one, right? Because that's actually a resistance, or 23.9 here. But if you're looking for like sells, I think this is your time that you've rejected. What's your predictions? I don't have any predictions, bro. I just adapt to what the market gives me, man. Like, I have no clue whether we're going to hit 3070 or 2090, 2980. I think we've got room to continue down. However, the weekly did flip here. It's very conflicting right now, but I just trade the lower time frames, to be honest. You adapt on whether you're looking for sells or buys? Yeah, 100%, bro. Good question, actually. But yeah, I do. We don't predict, we use probability? Yeah, exactly. Chat, drop a like as well if you haven't already. Let's try to get to 50 likes on today's stream. I feel like YouTube's shutting us down a little bit again, so I want to I actually set up yesterday a kick channel, so I'm gonna work on that over the weekend or over the week, and maybe start streaming on Kick as well. But let's see here. We're closing in about a minute. You hit any swing trades? Nah, never really. I don't like swing trading personally. It doesn't really suit my style. I like to be in and out of positions. 40 seconds here, chat. Can we leave a bottom wick? You want to see a nice little push back up here? You should have room. If you close here like this, you should have room to continue down right now. Thing is, right, I don't want this to close out this bottom wick here. You got 16 seconds here to the closure. The 1 minute's pushing down. That's not all we want to see. As long as you have a bottom wick, I think you should be fine. But we could have had a lot bigger of a bottom wick, which would have been a lot nicer. Okay, so we opened up here, chat. Top wick first. Bottom wick second. So all I need to see now is I need to see I was gonna say a top wick before we break the lows, but we broke the lows here. 4 hour closed above as well, so like realistically, can't take sells here, chat. Not yet, at least. It might continue down for all we know, right? But also, the reason why I can't take anything, this 4 hour could just make a bottom wick here and continue back up and fill the wick. You did close above the most recent high here, which means that you actually do have a really minor break of structure. So in reality, you could see a continuation up here, which is why you have a bit of a mixed time frame, which means I can't take anything. 4 hours saying bullish, 1 hour saying bearish. You live in North Cyprus? No, I live in the Greek side. TJ Hours on Kick? Yeah, I know. TJ Hours big enough to the fact that wherever he streamed, he'd be okay, you know? He could stream on YouTube and he'd be fine. You been in North Cyprus? Nah, never. 4 hour wick fill tapping back into 28. It's possible. Go to the border, Ghost Town. I got my GoPro stolen on the border by some people from Northern Cyprus, so I don't really plan on going back, to be honest. I prefer the Greek side, I can't lie. I was driving by the border, filming some shots for when I got my new car. Like, I literally rented a car to film some B-roll shots for my Range Rover, and we stopped at a light, and some guy from Northern Cyprus, put it that way, fucking stole it and then ran towards the border. What did he look like? Was it your usual suspect? Noodleholtz. He was, yeah, anyway. He grabbed it, yeah. What's good, Jar? How we doing, brother? You can't have a gun here, nah, I don't think so. Which company can I use in Northern Cyprus? For what, bro? You don't have the Merc no more? Nah, I sold the Merc a while back. I got a Range Rover Sport. Where's the AMG? Sold, bro. I couldn't bring it over to Cyprus with me. They wanted me to pay 15k import tax, which I was not fucking doing, right? So I sold it, bought a Range Rover Sport instead, which is pretty much more suited to life out here. And to be fair, it's actually quicker than the AMG, I'm pretty sure. It does 0 to 60 in like 5.6 seconds or some shit like that. 3-litre twin turbo bad boy. It's so fucking sick. I actually love it. Bedge, what's good, my brother? Long time no see. Ja, all good, mate. Yeah, it's been a while. Yeah, bro, it's been a long time. It's good to catch up. Can I use Alpha Capital in Northern Cyprus? Yeah, of course you can, bro. Yeah, of course. ACG. Code SG gets you 20% off of that. You can use it anywhere in Europe, anywhere in America, anywhere in the world, I'm pretty sure you can use ACG. Pushing down here though, chat. How'd your camera get robbed, bro? Bro, some guy, it was on the outside of the fucking, basically, I had when I bought my Range Rover, the day I bought it, we got a rental car as well, put a GoPro on the outside with like, wait, I'll show you. With like one of these, you know, that like mounts to the outside of the car. And we were doing like roller shots, B-roll shots basically. They were fucking sick. And yeah, someone fucking came, grabbed it off here. Usual suspect. SG, speak on the one-to-one. Yeah, by the way, guys, if you do want to apply for the one-to-one mentorship, we literally just got a student funded within 6 days of joining. You can essentially book a call with me or my team to see if you are a good fit. The link is being sent right now down below. And yeah, it's essentially a great program. You get one-on-one time with me, full access to the course, all that sort of thing. A lot of opportunity in that. So click that link down there if you do want to do that. And now they know where you live? Nah. Chat, 4 hour flipping here. This realistically could be a wick fill, but again, the bottom wick's firstly not big enough. Secondly, stops are too big. Thirdly, the hourly close bearish. Many reasons I can't take this. Chat, by the way, you know that funded account I got on ACG? Had a nightmare. So basically, I didn't realize, but there's a 40% consistency rule, right? If you get on-demand payouts. So I had a trading day where I got a 1.8k profit like in one day. So if you times that by times that by 0.4 or whatever it is, divided by 0.4, it basically meant that I needed to get to 5k profit to get a payout. So I'm pretty cooked on it right now. I got to 3.5k, and then I took a few losses, so round tripped it a little bit back to like 1k profit. So we're gonna see how that goes, but my next payout, if I get one, is gonna have to be 5k because of that consistency rule. It's kind of cooked. I kind of fucked myself though by like having such a big trading day. Does that make sense? Yeah, I didn't get the instant payout rules on purpose. I was given the account and then obviously it had it, so it is what it is. But yeah, I need to get to 5k now to get to a fucking payout. So we'll see, man. It might be a good motivation. Or can I just request a payout and then take it off? Like they take off the biggest trade and then it resets? Is that a thing? If that's the case, then I'll just do it. What's the plan for today, brother? What, in terms of the charts or what? Will feel good when the 5k hits your bank account? Yeah, trust me. Your day? My day today, chat, is the same as every single other day. Literally, stream. So I woke up, had a coffee. I actually today went and cleaned my car, went to the pharmacy because I'm ill. Then after stream, I'll go straight to the gym. Probably hit chest day. Come back, eat some food. Stream with the New York session with the private group. And then chill for an hour or so. Then film videos and then sleep. That's about it. That's pretty much every single day. What's your Instagram? Right, it's just at Trendlines. Every single social media platform I'm on is Trendlines. Luckily, I got all my names on everything, which is good. Best skinny to fat bulk diet for someone with fast metabolism. Just fucking eat as much fucking food as you can, bro. Find as much high calorie food as you can and eat it as much as you can. Very simple. Yeah, I have not big news, but have an interesting story. Yesterday at the gym, and this is why, by the way. Oh wait, one sec. Yeah, no, okay. Did you snipe an entry at 3,000 on Friday? Nah, me, I didn't get anything. Oh, you're asking Jar, my bad. Yeah, this is exactly why I pay so much for the gym, because Going to an expensive gym pays off. Yesterday, I met someone who is in fintech, right? In financial tech. They provide broker solutions and prop firm solutions. So if you want to start a broker or a prop, those are your guys. Met him, got his number, started chatting to him. So in a couple of years' time, or in a year's time, or whenever, you might be seeing the TRLS broker come back into play. Or TRLS prop firm, I don't know which one, but just crazy fucking contacts here. And now I have a guy who works at MetaQuotes, I know, because MetaQuotes is based in Cyprus. I have a guy who works in fintech, like making brokers. Fucking insane. Super excited for it. That's gonna pay itself off just by moving out here alone. You can send me a message. Hit me up a message, bro. On Instagram, just send it and I'll reply to you when I can. Right now, I'm getting consistent results from the last 7 to 8 months with a $500 account. Should I move to prop account or add more capital on my personal? It's up to you, brother. If you're doing well with the personal and you've got cash to add to it, then add it. Otherwise, don't. And go for a prop. You send a message? All right, bro, I'll get back to you after stream. Julian, what's good, brother? Welcome back. Yeah, long time no see, man. Long time no see. Hopefully you're doing well. Surely you need millions to open a broker? Yeah, broker, I think you need at least $1 million to open a broker. A prop firm, I think you can open it with about 1 or 200K. Morning, bro. What's good, Tom? How are you doing, my friend? Still think you went out of England because you knew it was never coming home? It can still be coming home even though I'm not in England. It still will come home. Wait till the next World Cup. Honestly, I'm convinced if we didn't play Kane at the last Euros, we would have won. But there you go. Anyway, that's a story for another day. We got to the finals 3 tournaments in a row. Reece James free kick was a banger? Yeah, trust me. Good, boss. How are you doing today? I'm very, very well, thank you. Just waiting patiently for a setup here. We caught an absolute banger trade yesterday, chat. So, again, it's just time to be patient and wait for the same thing to form. Yesterday, chat, we waited a long, long time for a setup. We waited until that 1 hour close after the 4 hour. And then it formed, and then we got the position, right? Same thing's going to happen today, potentially. I think there's a lot of opportunity here on these next sort of 15-minute closures, 1 hour closures. So if you stick around, I think there's a lot of potential, but we just need to wait, like I said. $10 a.m. has been decent, the old 4 hour closure. I know, I can't wait for the daylight savings to come into effect so that we can have regular 4 hour closures again. I don't like the 9 o'clock 4 hour closure. I don't think it's ideal. It seems to be fucking up the charts a little bit. I could be wrong, but I think it is. The old 4 hour closure is better? Yeah, I know. It's weird, like as traders, we're so picky. But you just like, I don't know, you get in the zone of things and you want to have your old closures back. It happens every March though, I think, right? In fact, it happens every daylight savings times. America do it a little bit early. But look, the volume's died off a little bit. The 4 hour did make a bottom wick here. I do expect us to tap into the bottom of this range as well. I think realistically, there's no reason after closing back into the range that you wouldn't come and tap into the bottom. Only problem is there's no entry for us here at all. Especially with this 4 hour no top wick, it's going to get very difficult. But price seems to just be standing still here. I don't know if it's just me, but it looks like we haven't moved in a long time. Hopefully we see a bit of an increase in volume shortly. No top wick at all on IC markets? Yeah, that's because it jumped up, right? There actually is a top wick, but it when it gaps up, it looks like there's no top wick like that. But I saw that too. No proper wick March. I know, yeah, March has been insane for no top wick candles and everything. That's why we've been so patient. Like, February was a little bit difficult because we got no real setups. Now we're sort of adapting to the fact that we're actually getting no setups, increasing our patience a little bit more, even though I didn't know that was possible. Like last week, I only got 3 positions. The week before that, I only got 3 positions. This week, I've only had 1 trade so far. It's very important. Very, very important. All right, 15-minute closing here, about 20 seconds. Chat, can we get to 50 likes on this stream, by the way? I'd massively appreciate it if we can. Yeah, realistically, nothing I can do here until we either come down to the bottom of the range and then we can take the buys back up, or alternatively, we need to make a top wick and then reflip, right? Last week of the month, patience is a must. 100%. Yeah, you don't want to end the month off in a weird way. That's true, actually. We only have 1, 2, 3 trading days left this month after today. I didn't even realize that. That's crazy. My landlord said that the garage, like the underground car park below my thing, is going to be finished by the end of March. And it's barely even started. Fucking Cypriots, honestly. I feel like they do no work. What's good, Omar? How's it going, brother? $15-minute. Yeah, a bit of a quick closure. Like I said, though, I think we're going to slowly push our way down towards the bottom of this range here. There's not really much else to do, in my opinion. Chat, has anyone seen crypto recently? It's giving me some hope. It's a little bit of hope. Ethereum looks okay. I actually stacked some Bitcoin at like 80, 84, something like that. So I bought some more Bitcoin there. I also, for a bit of a non-investment advice, but I bought some MicroStrategy. Oh, yeah, MicroStrategy. I feel like this guy is the fucking GOAT. Michael Saylor. I honestly think this is gonna fucking rock it. Anyway, that's just a little bit of insight into my investment sort of thesis right now. I'm getting heavily bullish on Bitcoin and on MicroStrategy. I wanted to buy the calls, right? You can buy like their derivatives, but what's the other one as well? Strike. But I couldn't buy them for some reason. Tesla? Yo, I told my fucking parents to buy Tesla the other week. I don't really, I don't know. They have like a stock portfolio or whatever. They bought it at 22.30. I swear I'm fucking goated. Ethereum, why so quiet? It's just fucking nothing's happening on the chain. Tesla's a great buy right now because of all the negative press, right? Literally nothing's changed about the company. Nothing's changed about their fucking production, their cars, their tech, anything like that. But because the fucking liberals are like going crazy about it, the stock's plummeting, which doesn't mean anything, right? The fundamentals are still there. If I was like, I'm pretty tied up right now investment wise. Like I don't really have too much liquid left. I'm pretty high risk right now overall. But if I did, I'd be stacking Tesla. Again, very, very clearly not financial advice. When do you usually close your broadcast? We'll be on for another like hour or so, 40 minutes. Something like that. I don't know why I have this on here. Wait, why did I have this on here? Oh, it's a different chart. I was like, why the fuck? That's the FXCM chart. I was like, my ranges look a little bit different. Okay, cool. So yeah, we are pushing down here on this 4-hour candle, which is very interesting. I do believe you need a top wick at some point. What we could look to do here is look to find a rejection off of 30.15, right? So let's say that we start to push down here into 30.14 around this area here. Do something like this. That could be then your buys actually to continue back up, and just because I do believe you still need a top wick on the 4-hour, right? I don't think the 4-hour is going to rip down without any form of liquidity being grabbed. I mean, you did grab liquidity on the previous one, but I mean, maybe it will. I take that back. You did that previously, but you did grab a lot more liquidity on that, and then you still came to grab a top wick anyway after that fucking tap into 3014. So either way, you should realistically come up and make a top wick for this 4-hour. Okay, cool. I wish you could copy trade Forex over to futures. That'd be so sick. I'd definitely do that then. But I might think about starting to execute some futures trades. I don't like the range from 32 to 03. Yeah, it's a little bit tough. What's hype about futures? Nothing really. Just you can stack like 20 accounts on a copy trader. So like, if you can get, what, 20, 50K accounts, that's a mil in funding. And then you can essentially just, stack it that way. You get a lot of capital. Now that gold has gathered liquidity, you think it will pop up or keep driving down? I think, to be honest, right now we're gonna continue down towards the bottom of the range. It's a very good question though. But for right now, we're in the middle of the range, and I always say, when you're in the middle of the range, it's sort of like a no trade zone. I would say realistically, between here and here, this is like your no trade zone. Reason being, you can go anywhere from here, right? It's super unpredictable. You have no levels to bounce off, or you have a lot of levels to bounce off of, more importantly, but also no like strong levels to bounce off of. But you have lots of little minor levels in between. So when you're in the middle of that range, that's your no trade zone, purely based off of those minor levels in here and the major levels outside that haven't been tapped into yet. So you could go either way. Now, especially with the 4-hour looking the way it is, it's very indecisive here. I do think, obviously, once you close outside of one range, close back into it, the statistics tell you that you are going to fill down towards the bottom of this range here, towards 3014. There's no entry for me here though. We haven't grabbed liquidity yet on this candle, and it's just a bit too indecisive with the 4-hour closing above the most recent high. But the best thing you can realistically do here is wait for one of these sides of the range to be tapped. If you do see a rejection, something like this candle here, you can actually take a position off of that to continue back up to fill the range. Otherwise, you can wait for your little closure outside the range, and that's your position right there. Can you also copy trade Forex? Yeah, you can. You can use something called Traders Connect or Social Trader Tools, but I recommend Traders Connect. I'm not affiliated at all. It's about $10 per month per account. So if you've got 2 accounts, $20, 3 accounts, $30, etc. But yeah, you can copy trade on there. It's actually quite good. That's what I use at least. I have like one master account. So, one sec. Yeah, so essentially the way that I copy trade Forex is I have like one master account, which is a small live account for me, which has got like 10K in it. It's not too small to where I won't feel the number, but it's also not big where I'm seeing huge numbers of drawdown or profit. And that helps my psychology. And then I have my main account connected to that. I also have a prop firm account connected to that. And then I was doing a little 20K challenge account. So I have that connected to that too. So I can trade purely off just one main account. And you can trade each of those separate other accounts with different risks, different stops, etc. It's very beneficial. So that's exactly what I do. Vitality, what's good, brother? How you doing, man? What's good? Who said? Oh, what's good, Joshua? How you doing, my friend? 15 looks weird. It's just driving without wicks. It's just to me, it's good because we're not making structure, right? So if we can come down and tap back into this level here, that's probably going to be good for a little buy off of that rejection. So that's what I'll look for here. You got a 30-minute closure here in about 5 minutes time, which should give you some opportunity. Especially if, imagine, the best play here probably would be if the 30-minute can close no bottom wick. Next 30-minute comes straight down, taps into the level, and that's going to be your position. But right now, I don't see anything here. Stops on that would have to be, I mean, they could be relatively tight actually. Maybe even just below here. Nah, that's a bit too big. We'll just stick them below here then. If we did get that position, stop to be somewhere like that. W plan 1 million pips. Yeah, 1 million pips would be nice, to be honest. 1 million pips with a one lot is fucking 10 mil, right? That'd be nice. Pay for that Komodo Dragon's diet. How much is a Komodo Dragon? How much is a Komodo Dragon? Whoa. You can actually buy one online. Are you joking? 200k. Live pets. Select live or ready to eat. What? No way, bro. I don't want to be on this site. Fuck that. No way. Anyway. Ja, you're in a buy right now. Hopefully it plays out, brother. I just don't like the middle of this range, if I'm truly honest. Yeah, I did not realize what that site was until I scrolled down a little bit. So we're gonna stay away from that. He's free if he finds me first. I think I'm free if he finds me first. 30 minutes closing here in about 3 minutes of time. 3 minutes time. You do have some levels here around like 3017. Dark web, bro, it's on fucking Firefox. We're not getting involved in that. Black what? A Black Widow. Oh yeah, no way, bro. I'm not taking a picture, I'm running away. Asian low was 3013. Yeah, right here. If you sweep those lows and reject as well, that'd be even nicer. Let's look at this pivot point thing. Oh. There's a pivot point. What's good, Matt? Welcome back, brother. Glad you could make it. Let me turn this shit off. All right, 200k, I can get you 10 for that price. They might look like dogs, but that's just the breed. Insane. Insane, chat. Look, lock it in here. 30-minute closing in about 2 minutes. SG, put some decent tunes on. I can't, bro. I get copyrighted. Been summoned, ain't I? Mac turns up right as we're looking at illegal dark web websites. Coincidence? I don't know. Buy a bearded dragon. I don't like reptiles, bro. I would not go anywhere near any of them. What's your birthday? My birthday was 2 weeks ago, 7th of March. 3 weeks ago nearly. What's good, Vamp? How you doing, man? Chat, we're just continuously driving down here with no structure being made, really. To me, that means that we should see a retracement at some point. There's no real reason for you to not retrace. You actually need to make some structure, right? It's a pretty crazy candle opening. This could just be a 4-hour bottom wick at any point, right? I would really like to see a tap into 3014 though. If you could do that, chat. Depending on the rejection off of it and how we react at that level. Because my only concern right now is we've only grabbed liquidity from above, right? We grabbed liquidity from up here, but we haven't grabbed any liquidity from below. So you might need to break these lows first and then actually jump in your position. 4 hour being 9 a.m. I'm not fucking with. Yeah, we were talking about that earlier. That 9 a.m. 4 hour is no bueno. 30-minute close. Looks like it's going to close no bottom wick, which would be very, very interesting. You do also have some levels on the 30-minute around like 30.18 where we could reject too. But again, we're in the middle of the range right now. I'm not the biggest fan. How is this 30-minute going to close here? No bottom wick. Very interesting, chat. Well, that's your trend play right there. That's your trend play right there, because you now essentially have a candle on the higher time frame with no top wick. You have a candle closure on the lower time frame with no bottom wick. So buys here are not invalid, but for me, I'm just pretty certain we need to fill the range down first. I could be wrong, chat, but I don't want to be taking this right now. Yeah, see, look, continuing down here. It's not completely ideal, to be honest. Did it close no bottom wick on the thing? Yeah, it did. Pushing down here, chat. Getting a spike in volume, which is great as well. Spike in volume is really nice here. Are we going to flip back up though? I'm very curious here to see what we do. Realistically, with that 30 with that 30 bottom wick, I think we should push up here. There's no entry for me yet. Especially because I would have expected you to push up instantly off the no bottom wick, right? Can't do anything with this? Yeah, no, nothing right now. Absolutely nothing. But the 1 hour might bring us something. Chat, give me 2 seconds. I'll be back in literally a sec. See chat ripping down here. Anyone looking at the room like it's a psychologist? Lie down on the sofa and tell me your problems? Crazy. Don't kill me, but I actually like supply and demand. It's kind of similar to form resistance. Not sure. Chat, this is interesting. trying to convince him to get a Komodo dragon. We're not. There's no convincing me to get a Komodo dragon, right? It's off the table. Firstly, they're fucking scary. Secondly, I'm not spending 200k on a fucking Komodo dragon. If I was going to spend 200k on something, it would be a GT4. I don't think I can get a GT3 RS for one, but... How much is a GT3 RS? Oh no, you could get one for 200k. Alright, well in that case, I get a GT3 RS. It would fit on the couch with the T. I don't think it would fit on the couch. It'd fit lengthways, but widthways it'd be too wide, I think. The couch is not too big. Not too like wide that way. This is a win for me. I'm watching gold dive down and I didn't jump into a sell and chase it. Congrats, Montana. That's huge. That is definitely a big win right there. Yeah, this could continue up here, especially if you're rejecting like this. But for me, can't take anything. Bukaki Shiron, crazy. Nah, look at this chat. Wait. I want to show you guys something. There's a guy in Limassol who has the craziest cars. Literally the most insane cars I've seen in a long, long time. He's also, funnily enough, he's also on a Russian most wanted list. I doubt the two are linked in any way. This guy has like the craziest fucking cars though. Like Bugatti Chiron, 700k Rolls Royces, the works. Let me see. Can I find it? I know I sent it to Kata. Bro, this guy.
I'll show you the dark side.
Nah, these cards are ridiculous. What does he do? So he owns a... I don't want to... I don't know if it's that guy, so I'm going to just stray away. This car is ridiculous. It costs 700k. What else? This is... Wait, no, I'm not going to say that. I know that I'm like neighbors with this guy. Not like neighbors, but near to. $30 flipped? It did, I can see it. I'm looking at it right now. Took a buy off 30, 18. Nice, congrats. You should be good there. If this 30 closes bullish, we can take a look. But for right now, I have no indication that this is actually going to continue back through. At any point, it could still rip towards the bottom of the range. Like I said, I need to see that retest at the bottom of the range. If it's doing this right now, there's absolutely nothing I can do here, chat. Bro, the number plate's here too. So all the Russians, it's actually the Russians and the Ukrainians who have got all the money here, funnily enough. But they all like angel numbers. So they like the 111, 222, 333, like 444, 777, that type of shit. So there's so many number plates with just those numbers. It's fucking insane. I think they're like stupidly expensive. Like ridiculously expensive. See chat, look, we're pushing back down here. The 30 flip, that should have been your opportunity to push back through, but it didn't do it. Don't forget to write when you finish broadcasting. I got you, man. Don't worry. Getting lemon drinks back in stock. That's on the list to do's for today. I have to go. I'm gonna go take my car to a place. I think I want to get it sprayed black. I want to spray all the chrome bits black. All right, Jed, in a bit, man. Yeah, what do you think, guys? I have like a load of chrome detailing on my car. I want to get it. I think I'm gonna get it sprayed like gloss black or something. I think it could look really, really cool. Let's see. Gloss black or matte black? Gloss, right? Ah. Yeah, like you see these silver bits here. I want to get them. The car's gloss black, right? So it looked weird with like gloss black and matte black, but I want to get like these silver bits here put into black. Shiny in the sun? Yeah, 100%. I think that's not a bad shout. It's gonna look bad, boy, to be honest. 5-minute close doji here, so it looks like we're gonna continue downwards, chat. You did make a little bit of structure, which is interesting, but yellow's crazy. Those silver parts get fucked over time. Yeah, I think so. It's worth it to spray them, to be honest. I think it's gonna cost me like 500 euros or something, but I'm not too bothered about that. See, we are rejecting off this little 30-18 level though, which is not bad. Close half and the rest got out B, so now we can go down again. Nice. You play any music on kick? Yeah, I can. Go vibrant, be that guy. No, because I'm only getting the bits like the trim sprayed, right? If I was getting the whole car sprayed or wrapped, I'd do it a little bit different, but because I'm not, it makes sense to just go with both. Yeah, on kick I can play any music I want, right? Once you re-rate this low head, chat, you should be good to continue down towards the bottom of the range, and that's when we can look for our little like sniper buys if we want to get them. I think the trims be pure. Gloss will get scratched over time. What color calipers? I don't know what color my calipers are. Actually, that's a very good question. I don't think I have colored calipers. I'm just looking. Nah, they're just silver. I have black wheels, silver calipers, like metal ones, I think. Am I wrong? Can it be metal? I don't even know if that's possible. Probably not. I think they're black. Do we even have calipers? I can't see any. Make them yellow? Nah, I'd go red for sure. I think red calipers is hard. Although, to be fair, yeah, my Mercedes had the yellow calipers, which was sick. That AMG, yeah, I can't lie, I miss that car so dearly. I miss that car. With the yellow calipers, the front splitter and everything, it was fucking gorgeous. I couldn't really drive it here though, I don't think. I mean, I could, but... Ush. It was actually a spaceship. Miss it? Yeah, of course, bro. Fucking sick car. That was also my first like crazy car, you know what I mean? Like my first big car. So I think like always the first nice car you get is always like, how do I put it? I guess sentimental, I don't know. Get a Cybertruck? No. 15-minute closing here. It looks like you might close, or you might try and close bullish here. What's the 5-minute doing? Starting to push back up, chat. Is this where we make our little stand? Problem is, at any point you can still come back down and break these lows, which is what I really don't like, to be honest. What I would need is like a strong 30 bullish close, and then get the sky dweller play. To be fair, it's possible. It's possible right now, depending on this next 30 close. You do have like a minor level here on the 30-minute, which you do seem to be rejecting off of quite strongly. 15 is closing bearish though, which is a bit of an issue. But definitely very weak bearish. So you might just see a continuation up from here, to be honest. But I don't really want to take that until I can get a nice little confirmation. I need that confirmation personally. That would make any trader emotional? What do you mean? Oh, the chat's back. See, it just comes and goes randomly. One hour small bottom wick, and the next hour, 1 hour no top wick. When was the last stream record change? Yesterday. Strange, right? I know, yeah, it's not bad. It could be good for a continuation up. I'm definitely seeing it. Positive, I missed it. What do you mean? Now, we took a trade yesterday. Yeah, oh yeah, positive. Yeah, we took a trade yesterday. We took buys for 30 pips. Win or loss, yeah. Giving up the Benzo, bro, honestly, giving up that Mercedes was like a very, very difficult decision. Had to be done though in order for me to move out here and like get progress onto bigger things. But like I said, this car was like the first big purchase I ever made. The first indication that I actually was making good money. You know, the first thing that actually, I don't know, proved that I was like, not that I'd made it, but that I was getting there, you know? And now, obviously we moved on to bigger and better things, but at first when I got rid of that, it was very, very tough. First world problems though, obviously, like massive first world problems. It's not like a big deal. But it makes so much more sense to invest in moving out here, to invest in like lifestyle. Also fucking, the connections I made out here are a different level. Like I said, already got a guy who runs brokerages for a huge company. Already got a contact at Meta Quotes. Your current stage is someone's made it. True. Those mini body candles in the 30-minute look weird. See, look, we're pushing back down now, chat. What did I say? Where are you, by the way? I want to travel 22nd September to 10th of October. Cyprus. I moved to Cyprus, yeah. For many reasons, to be honest. It was the best decision I ever made, though. 100%. 100% leaving the UK was the best decision I ever made, without a doubt. 5-minute just came and broke the low of the previous 5 here, and now it's starting to reject. I think this might be where you make a push back up. But like I said, I need confirmation. Can't just take it off of a hunch, right? That essentially would just be speculation, gambling, etc. Mainly to escape Eugene, trust me. Living in Limassol? Yeah. Cyprus has no stay rule anymore after 2026. What does that mean? How is tax regulation, or how do you manage? If you can discuss this, I don't know, because we're trading YouTube. Basically, I have my own company. I trade for it. Pay very little tax on the dividends. Simple. I'm staying in an Airbnb, 10-minute walk from the marina. What, in Limassol? Interesting. That you need to stay 2 months there to still be a resident? Yeah, I have a visa, bro, though, but I can never be a resident because I'm not an EU citizen. Well, I can be eventually, but not right now. I can have a company here, though, no matter what. Chat, this could be setting up really nicely here for the 1 hour close in about 30 minutes. Not 30 minutes, 10 minutes. Yeah, so do you still run an ad agency? Not anymore. I closed it down to focus on like one thing at a time, pretty much. Why I asked you to get me from the airport? Yes, that makes sense, actually. That makes sense. Did you have links there before moving? Yeah, I actually did. So one of my very first mentorship students, the boy Leonidas, you'll see him in the Discord. He's from Cyprus too, and he hooked me up with pretty much everything. That guy's a goat. I just like paid my accountant and the lawyer and everything, and then it was super easy. I want to do a big meetup soon, so potentially 81 minutes on the mill. 81 minutes, you know. Chat, so only problem is here, we need a bullish closure on this 30-minute, realistically. Even a 15-minute would probably suffice, but I do want to see like that confirmation, and if it runs without us, it's going to run without us. Bro's link is from an anime, bro. Now, the good thing about this community and like TRLS as a whole is pretty worldwide. Like, I have contacts in almost every single country that like I'd want to go to, just purely based off of this YouTube channel, the Discord community. By the way, chat, if you haven't already, make sure you do join the Discord, because it is essentially the best trading network community I've ever seen, right? It's so non-toxic, it's so valuable. Everyone's trying to help each other out. Everyone's sort of building a network as traders. Yeah, if you're not in there already, you're truly missing out. Come to PR, I'll take you out on the vote. Say less, that sounds good. Puerto Rico. Yo, I looked at, there's a yacht that's always harbored outside my gym, right? Because my gym overlooks the marina. There's a yacht for charter there. And it's actually like for 10 people, it's only 3K a day total, which is quite cheap. Where did I find it? I actually kind of want to do it in summer. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Whoa, this one's cheap as fuck. What, 246 a day? Are you joking? Is that per person? Bro, I would pay that right now. This one's 9K a day. It's a little bit difficult. Now, where's the one that's right outside? There's one that's like literally always parked outside my gym. It's fucking this one, bro. This one looks so beautiful in person. How much is it? Doesn't say how much. Get a rubber dinghy. Get one on the shore of the UK. What are the odds of you actually getting me from the airport? If I'm free, I'll do it, bro. 3, 4, 4, 7 a day it was. That's not. I mean, that's a little bit, but I think it'd be worth it. It's a business expense too, technically. If I record it, it's a tax write-off. Yeah, here we go. 30-minute flipping here. I think you might see that nice little run just before the end of the 1 hour closure that we always see. But I'm gonna have to wait for this 1 hour closure now. What did I say though, chat? I said 10 o'clock is when we're gonna get our trades. And if we are gonna get one right here, it's gonna be at 10 o'clock. Yo, Matt, I just saw what you sent into the Discord. What even is that? Pagani. Yeah, right? Yeah, it is. Bro. Pagani is a privacy wall. It's crazy. Car, I think. Car is crazy. Yeah, What I wanted to say was that in the past you had to be in Cyprus for 2 months, you can still pay tax in Cyprus. From 2026, you no longer have to. Oh, crazy, bro. That's sick. That's really cool. $15 flipping, yeah, 15 flipping, 30 flipping. 30 closure just like this would be great. And I think we could be in off the rip. Realistically, that 4 hour then should lead to a flip, right? So you need to have a company, that's it, as far as I know now. That's insane. Chat, you have 4 minutes here. Start to focus up. As long as we get a decent closure here. I would like a bottom wick on the opening, but I don't think it's necessary. Let's just look to the left here. What do we have in terms of obstacles? Chat, I think you might get a last minute drive like we had before. I think you might get that last minute push. You have a level here, which you probably need to close above. Quite a strong level. Yeah, look, this level here, you see it in the past as well. 30-20, it's like struggling there a little bit. In fact, it's quite a strong level. I'm looking for buys, yeah. I would be, but I need a better closure than this. Unfortunately, if this 1 hour, 30 minute, 15 minute, etc. closes bearish, there's absolutely shit all I can do. Because look at the structure we're making now. We did tap into that sort of resistance level that we have and rejected off of it. So we've got 3 minutes here. What we need to do is push up above this level, push back down. In order for us to get those buys, we need to close above this minor resistance area here. And we need to also leave a top wick on this next candle. If you can do that, then we're looking good for the buys. Otherwise, realistically, I'm gonna have to call it a session. Chat, you got 2 minutes, 40 seconds till a closure here. That's enough time for you guys to drop a like on the stream. I'm giving you guys so much free value here. Least you can do is drop a like, right? MY in the Discord chat, indeed. Yeah, chat, if you do want to trade New York session with me as well, I do trade that in the Discord. So click the link that Ben just sent in to join the private Discord group. There's a lot of value in there. Obviously, trading live with me. It's also a lot more group styly, so you can essentially be closer to me, asking some questions, etc. Yeah, very, very valuable. 2 minutes, chat. I'd like to get this position here. I think it'd be very nice. Otherwise, we just have to be patient. I do think we will reject and push up though. Question is whether it's like now or whether it's in a bit or whether it gives us a closure or not. You know, it's very interesting. Mm. 15 minute is going to close bullish by the look of it though. Just very weak here. Stay disciplined, don't pull margin, always telling us what to do. That's why you come here, right? Yeah, it looks like we got nothing here. Let's see how it closes in a minute's time. Alternatively, what I'll do is I'll go to the gym. But yeah, for me right now, it's very tough. Yeah, it's time to reject again, chat. See how we tapped at this minor level? Like, you might not think the minor levels are that important, but we looked at the minor level, we found it, and then we immediately see how we reject off of that level after tapping into it. So this could easily continue back down now, which is obviously not what we want to see. I still think you might need to do exactly what I said earlier and tap into 30.15 here. You can tap into 30.15. That's realistically going to be a decent level for you. How do you determine this level? The one I have here is based off the lower time frames. You have like a 30-minute rejection here and a 30-minute rejection over here. It's the same level. How much is your mentorship? That is a good question. I don't really discuss price on here just yet. What we'll do though, if you are interested in the mentorship, Harpreet, essentially just book a call right there. The link is about to be sent in. Book a call, and we can discuss whether it's a good fit for you, whether you're a good fit for the mentorship, and yeah, we'll discuss all the details on there, right? Chat, right now, you close respecting a few of these levels. You close bearish on every single time frame. For me, chat, that's a very good indication that we're not going to be able to get a position here. So what I'm actually going to do is probably call it a stream here right now. Unfortunately, we weren't able to grab anything, but I will be trading in the New York session in the Discord as well. So yeah, let's see. But actually a W stream, chat, like Ben just said, so much value, so much knowledge in that. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe and all that good stuff. And we'll call it there, chat. But look, I appreciate all of you for pulling up. If you are trading this rest of this London session, make sure you trade responsibly, right? Make sure you don't full margin, obviously, but make sure you wait for your patient setup. You need to be patient and wait for your actual perfect setup to form, because otherwise you're just gambling, right? We'll play Geoguessr quickly. Our psychologist is letting me trade next week. Oh, cool, bro. Yeah, I'll see you in a bit, man. What we're gonna do, 92 minutes on the mill is crazy. I'm gonna play a quicker game of Geoguessr this time. I'm gonna play 3 rounds. So I have to actually shoot off, but I do wanna give you guys some Geoguessr time here. 3 rounds. Lightning round of Geoguessr, right? Easy win is crazy. Right, I'm gonna start the game in about 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2. All right, cool. Chat, if you are gonna dip off, by the way, before we play the game, make sure you leave that like, as I said on the way out, completely free. I'm gonna smoke these guys in Geoguessr quickly. Maybe not. I have no clue where this is. Oh, I think I know where it is, maybe. Stick it like, is there something there? Or is it here? Nowhere fucking near. Spain? Oh, that's the C. Alright, well, fuck it. Jar got closest on that one. Poor guess from me, to say the least. Da. Okay. Is this... I feel like it might not even be that one. I think it might be like... Could be wrong. I've tried to be a bit edgy here. Oh, chat. I've absolutely cooked there. Absolutely cooked. Mark knew as well. What a guess. Russian and Bulgarian look pretty fucking close. Unless, do they speak Russian? No, I don't think they do. Ah, Mythos. That's a bit of a misleading fucking... Wait, is this? Nah, surely not. I feel like it could be somewhere like this. Could even be Cyprus, to be honest. Oh, chat, I'm on smoke. Albania, that makes sense. I'm actually on smoke. Oh, that was it. I forgot I made it 3 rounds, so I have to dip. Chat. Get smoked, man. Easy win. Came second. All right, look. Chat, that's going to be it from me. Appreciate you all very, very much. Have a great rest of your day if you are trading. Otherwise, peace out. Much love. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.